policing the police every single day, and doing what the Charlotte County Sun newspaper and local TV stations won't do every single day.
All right, so I already filed the internal affairs complaint. You know, I told you guys to send that to IA for the records law violations again.
Of what?
Records law violations again.
What did we violate?
Okay, so what you violated this time, so I don't know who's filling this stuff out. I don't know if you all are doing it. I don't know if Bill PRUMMELL is telling you to do it. But I in the past, you know, done this for 8 years being a reporter, have asked for a beautiful thing called the records law. Okay? I, by law, have the right to get it. I can't find it, but I don't know, maybe like 4 or 5 months ago, she told somebody at your office told me that you couldn't give me the records law anymore like you used to, log, you know, which listed, you know, who asked for what, their name and all that, okay? They literally just sent me the reference number. They would not send me what I finally got yesterday, okay, which was this. Okay, so...
That's the wrong format. She did that incorrectly.
Okay, so but this is the way I should be getting it. This is like what I used to get it before the QA.
That's a snippet. That's not the right format to produce the document.
Right. But again, I'm going to show you that. So like I said, somebody before this told me that I couldn't get this, okay? And now I find out the other day I can get it, and just to prove it, I asked for Friday's log, and here's just one page of it. And when you look at what she took here, she still is omitting information that
That's not the right format. That's the correct format.
Okay, but again, there's information in this one that is not in this one. And again, somebody at your office told me that I couldn't get this, and now I got it. So that is flat out a misdemeanor chargeable offense.
Did you report it to IA and put it?
I tried to. I did an email. She said that he's not here. Rodriguez is not here. Isn't that weird when you want to file a complaint, nobody's here?
SHERI Carpenter's not in today.
Okay, so what is he ever in? But anyways, so that's the first complaint, okay? And are you the
Supervisor.
Okay, which one are you?
Records.
Okay, what's your name?
Kerry.
Okay, so that's the first one. Somebody has lied to me. I don't know if you're all doing it. Another complaint is I'm asking for records that another person's asking for too, okay? We are testing you, seeing if you're violating the law. And you are violating the law. He is getting records, and I'm not getting the same records.
Depending on when he puts them in and when you put them in. Because when you put
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yes, it is the same day.
No.
It is the same day.
Which one is it for?
It is like getting the evidence on the one on Bill PRUMMELL's son pulled a gun. You guys never sent it to me. Somebody else got it. So here's another one. You are not putting that information. You know, the sheriff said he's going to be transparent. I don't know. Yeah, right, whatever. You're not putting that information on the portal. And then some of your people are only giving me the reference number. I can't even get half the reference numbers you give me that they're telling me I suppose.
What you asked for? Are you asking for what they requested, or are you asking for the documents that they received?
That's funny you say that too. So I've been doing that too. As you know, that's a neat thing. When you get this list, you can get whatever they got for free.
Right.
You have some people that are violating the law and only sending me this number. They're not sending me what they got like I asked for.
Asking for what they requested,
I
what they
did.
received for
I
documents.
did.
Specific what you
I did. Okay. So here's another really big one. This is the worst one. This one, I'm going to file an affidavit with the state attorney's office and whoever else I can find, okay? So I sadly have a stalker, copsucker, Trump fascist, Gary Snow, who filed a false report on me, okay? All right. He asked you to illegally enter into court. When I took him to court, am I under investigation on a false claim that I told people to rape his daughter? That's stupid.
Okay.
I did not. Never. Okay? So you gave him and 3 documents, all redacted.
Because we requested it was still an open investigation.
That's not true.
Yes, it is.
That's not true. So, anyways, so after I actually met, I cannot believe it, a good cop here named Alexander, all tattooed out, never met him. He's like, dude, on video, you're not under investigation. I said, why did they redact it? I don't know. That was dropped a month ago.
Well, it was open as of August August 8th.
Okay,
So August 8th.
so here's where the lies have to stop. Okay, the lies have to stop, okay? You did not give him everything. Whoever did this, okay, I'll say whoever. I don't know if it was you, okay? All right. Whoever gave him this did not give him everything. They gave him 3 papers plus the paper for redaction, okay? All right. There was a 4th paper that says I'm not under investigation and he's full of shit and he should be charged.
It depends on when he put his request in and what was in the case.
No, it was before that, before he put his request in, that it was dropped. Okay.
Obviously it wasn't because we didn't.
No. Stop. So anyways, okay, so it's true. He read the report. He said, the cop said, I have no idea why they did it. We literally had to send that cop over to your office and tell you, quit violating the law, give it to me redacted. So now I know, like I said, you illegally, your department did not give him everything.
We gave him what was available at that point.
It's not true, miss. I got it right after that. It is right here.
August 6th.
8 pages. The page that says I wasn't under investigation was there weeks ago, months ago, okay?
When he put the request, it was 7/29.
It was there months ago, okay? So that is withholding, totally illegal in records law.
Terry Cochran and IA, and he'll investigate it.
Totally illegal. So you can't have a meeting with your people and say, what the crap is the Bill PRUMMELL telling you to do this on knowing? You do know that when you do this knowingly, it is absolutely a misdemeanor charge.
Knowingly what?
Knowingly not giving out all the information that you're supposed to, that somebody asked for.
We always give out what we can give out.
All right, that's not true. So anyway, I just want to let you know, I am going to go, I already filed with the IAA, I'm going to meet with him, and I am going to swear out an affidavit to the state attorney's office. You guys violated law constantly. We are doing a test on you. You didn't realize that yet? He asked for something, I asked for something, and I don't get it. That again, you're violating law. So, see you in court. Mr. Ossifer, can I ask a police question?
Mr. Sheets, I'm in the middle of something, but do you have a complaint to file? Or
Always. You guys are daily. All right. What if Gary Snow filed a false complaint on me? Is that not illegal?
Who's Gary Snow?
All right. There's my stalker, Gary Snow, filed a false complaint on me. Are you allowed to file a false complaint?
It was investigated, and I don't know how we would prove that it was false. I would imagine that's something that's been filed already, Mr.
Right. Yeah. They already said it's bogus. That's why I'm here to say.
And my recommendation would be to talk to that officer again, because he would have more facts of the case. I don't necessarily have the facts of the case.
So I would have to talk to him or talk to a supervisor here?
It depends on which way you want to go there. I don't
All
have
right.
the facts of the case, Mr. Sheets.
Got it. All right. So are you going to vote for freedom or for tyranny?
I don't vote in Charlotte County. I don't reside here.
Ah, damn it. That's probably good. There's so much corruption, man. All right. This time, filing an internal affairs complaint sadly against Records Department. Is IAN?
No, Sergeant Cochran is out today.
All right. When's he going to be in?
Let me check for you.
Do you have to set an appointment for that guy? Nobody else can file the complaint?
I can check to see if anyone else is available. I know he's out of the office.
Right, yeah, I would like to because I actually already filed the complaint in email. I'm just here to do it in person. And then, yeah, if there's somebody else that helps him, which I would hope there is, because there's so many complaints of corruption. All right. All right, can I add to that just so you know ahead of time? Then Gary Snow filed that false charge against me. Do I talk to a supervisor about filing the false charge, or do I got to talk to how does that work?
Did you speak to a sergeant last week about that?
That is correct. He filed a false charge. Is it legal for me to file a false charge?
I can get a deputy to speak to you, a supervisor.
Yeah, I need so I'm gonna need IA guy and a supervisor.
Let me see if I'll
All right.
Rodriguez, he's not answering his phone.
Right.
Okay. And can I just get you to fill this out? I just need your address and name, and we'll have a supervisor. I can pull a call for service and have a supervisor come and speak to you.
When did you start doing this?
One moment, please. Shall I pass your office? One moment.
I can just call it in from here. If this is gonna happen, I can call it in.
Just one moment, please. You would give a call, take over the phone, you know, your name and address, just for them to pull the
Right.
call. That's
Yeah.
just the same thing that we ask for. When
I'd rather you call it in or write it down, or I call it in.
And what's your address?
This is all right, I'm going to call it in right here. So if this is going to happen, which should not happen, I was at the Punta Gorda Police Department, and even they didn't do that. So this is wrong. I need a cop. I'm going to call for a cop.
Okay.
Because that
That
looked
is the policy when
no,
someone
that looked really bad. So anyways, even Gary Snow's report, he sat there in the parking lot and called. Anyways, okay, if I can't talk to Internal Affairs or Rodriguez right now, then I want the highest supervisor in the records department right now, because this is just blatant what happened the other day.
Okay, here's the form also in case you wanted to put it in writing, okay? The complaint form. Did you just want to speak to them in person at this point?
It's already in, like I said, the email. I was just here to give actual evidence again.
Okay.
Charlotte County Sheriff's Office, Operator 7 on the recorded line. How can I help you?
Yeah, I need to speak to a supervisor here at the airport lobby sheriff's office. Somebody filed a false report on me, and so I need to talk to somebody. What do I do about that?
Okay. Do you know the case number this is in reference to?
Actually, I do.
Okay. What you got?
It is incident number 2006
Okay.
dash 003365.
Okay. And you wanted a patrol supervisor?
Yeah, whoever's the highest that, she is making me file out paperwork here, which is nuts. She should just get somebody, so she's forcing me to use the phone, waste your time and mine, to get a supervisor here at the lobby of the airport office.
Okay. And what is your name?
Andrew Sheets,
And phone number for you?
941 916
The temperature measurement failed.
2259.
Recheck the temperature. Recheck the temperature.
Okay. And I just have to ask, have you been out of the country in the last 14 days?
Nope,
And have you had a fever in the last 14 days?
nope,
And do you have a cough?
no. In fact, your little robot here in the lobby is checking me right now as we're
Please
speaking.
wear a mask.
See?
Temperature is normal.
I can't wear a mask though because of medical
Please wear a
condition.
mask. Temperature is
Okay. Well, I have a call put in. We'll get one of the supervisors over there for you, okay?
Yeah, he should be here. Like I said, she wouldn't do it, so I had to call you. So, all right, thanks.
Not a problem.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hey, Sheriff County, this is Sheriff County COPWATCH. I am using any video here with under fair use if you have criticism, reporting, teaching, etc. And please donate. I do not make money from YouTube, and there are different ways to donate in the video links. Thanks.